I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now. Diamonds brilliant and brilliant.
I pray for you and Joko na magkaroon kayo ng masasayang time. Sana bigyan ka ng Diyos ng mahabang buhay, tsaka good health sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin, sister. Thank you for your generosity, hindi lang sa pamilya natin, kahit sa mga kamag-anak natin. Love you, sister. Bye.
Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful? Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful? Will you still love me when I'm not young and beautiful?
Hello, Sister Ason. Happy birthday. Yan, we love you. More birthday to come and more memories to enjoy together with you.
Happy birthday, Sister Coratin. Wishing you a long life to live and good health. God bless.
To my beautiful sister, Ason, happy birthday. Wish you good health always and happiness. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Always take care. Especially with your son, Joko.
Sister, suplada ka pa rin hanggang ngayon mula nung bata tayo. Pero napakaganda ng puso mo, lalong-lalo na sa ibang tao. You have many friends. At saka napakabait mong nanay kay Joko.
Lord have mercy.